niggas keep asking where the fuck I been at, nigga. What the fuck I been doing, nigga? You been missing in action, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That they tell a nigga that. You hear me?
Where you been? Where you been?
What you mean? I've been trapping.
Where you been? Where you been?
Searching for lean, I've been looking for act. They say I've been missing in action.
Where you been, nigga?
I've been in the hills with that crack. Laying low, watch my youngin'.
What's up, YouTube? You know what it is? Junkyard, Cat Loco. Let's get it.
It's lit.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cat Loco. Taking a look at this 87 Chevy Caprice today. And this thing looked like it got pretty pretty smashed up. Oh yeah. Man, it popped the tire. Same problem with my 77. We're just like caves in the middle. So the hood no good. I thought the windshield was good, but got cracks right there. Bumper definitely gone. The grill is a little bit bent, but I mean savable. Yeah, that's gone. I mean the grill's decent. That can be used. Got a headlight. The lenses, that lens is good. That one's broken. So this is a 4.3. It says it's 350 though. So this could have been a good swap for my 77. If I didn't plan on going LS swap. Fuel injected. They took all the emblems. They have some music in here. Oh, this is another option for a fuel injected tank. But like always, they put the friggin' rim under the tank so you can't take it, and they probably drilled it. This yard normally puts about 2 or 3 holes in the tank. Just has a single exhaust. Also, the one thing I did notice, the door panels and the seats look pretty immaculate. I mean, the vinyl is nice. No rip, no tears. This would be a nice one for a swap or replacement. Sail panels are, I mean, they're not ripped. You can easily replace this backing, take this off and glue it back on. So that's savable. This one got a little, yeah, that clean off. That one is cracked here too. But like I say, this can be saved. This is probably nicer than a lot of people have already. Someone took the little someone took these off. little door seal things. Back seat's pretty immaculate. I give it that. Like this could be definitely used. They didn't know how to take the third brake light out, so they broke it a little bit. But I mean, you could fix that if you wanted to. Maybe fiberglass it a little bit. But most people use the what is this, the Aurora third brake light for a mod. Door smashed in, but gotta finesse it. I mean, look, check out the front panel. Super clean. Manual windows. They took the steering wheel out. So I don't know if they were chasing music or what. Why they took all these seals out. Oof, kick plates. Yeah, kick panel's going too. Computer still here. They took the visors off. I could have got some screws for Steve, but I don't see the screws. I don't think that's it. So these are, this would, Steve was talking about his visors. He wanted hardware. I mean, they're just regular machine screws, just 3 on each side. That's all you need. You can get these from Ace or Home Depot or wherever. So Steve, that's all you need. 6 of those. They still got the little radio bezel. Little aftermarket joint. I believe I already have one of these, and I have the one with the wood grain like fascia in the front. So I really don't need this. I think mine is like this one. Just one more screw to take this out and I can pretty much have it, minus the wires. So yeah, they definitely had a system in here. Mirror looks like it's good. No, that's not good. Dashboard cracked. Steering column. Should be decent if you need one. The only work on these seats is the front. There's bench seats. I don't think I ever noticed that. So I'm really confused what they stripped, because it's like they stripped it for no reason. They didn't take anything. Just steering wheel and aftermarket radio. Owner probably took that. But these door panels are nice. But I think on a 2-door, I want to say the panels are longer, a little bit longer than a 4-door. Mirror's decent. I didn't mention it, but the trunk lid's good on this one. Chrome trim. Pretty much all there. They took the bumper, or it got wrecked, and they just took it off. Someone took the lights. Well, someone probably took this. Now I'm thinking about it, probably Euros. So fuel injector tank. Someone messaged me in my old video, or my last video, about the hinges. mean, it actually moves down pretty easy, so these hinges might be good. It's kind of smooth, but at the same time, it might be a little, yeah. I would want it a little more sturdier, because it's just like you put it up and it drops. So I'll probably pass in these hinges. But yeah, I mean, this is the main thing that came out to see today. I haven't seen a Buck Chevy hit the yard in a minute. I think the only other thing out here is a 77 Buick LeSabre. I'm thinking about going live, show you boys a live hunt with Loco. But anyway, this is your boy Loco. Like always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.